Hi everyone. The third website I'm going to show you is sciencebob.com. It is a free website that has different science experiments, research help, videos for different science concepts. Our students do not have a set science curriculum. We do have standards that we have to follow, but they do not have a set science curriculum for our district. So I chose this website to give them different ideas and to give myself different ideas, as well as other colleagues, for different science concepts that we can use. I chose ISTE standards 6C and 6A to help. When you do this website, you do not have to sign in. You can look up different experiments here. They have research help and videos all up here. So I like experiments. These can be used at home, but I love that it says with your parents' or teacher's permission and their help. And it says to follow those directions. So they have different videos that they can use, as well as, different experiments for all different sorts of things. So this one is really cool. It's about building a hovercraft that you can ride. So it actually has a video that they can watch of the one that they built, the hovercraft that they built for the Jimmy Kimmel Live show. And then it gives them all the supplies they need and kind of gives them how to do it and what to do, so kids can do these experiments at home. I hope you enjoy. Thank you.